broken microwave, and this is what I wanted, microwave transformer.
So ito na yung connection. Yung yung line 1 AC dito na connect sa terminal transformer dito ng microwave transformer. Tapos yung line 2 connect dito sa line 1. Tapos number 2 connect dito sa terminal. So yun na. Ito yung monitor. Ito yung controller.
So I tried to display it. And let's check the spot mark. It's good. And I adjust the current, make it lower. Adjust again, differentiate how strong each spot on different current level. This controller is only single pulse, and have a look.
Okay.
Look at the spot mark.
Tanggalin natin.
It is clearly that it holds properly. So I tried a cylindrical battery, which is 21700. Have a look the spot mark. It is clearly holding it firmly. After I pull it out, few nickel strips leave it to the battery, and it's hard to remove the nickel strip. And I do it again, and the current that I choose is lower than the previous one. And have a look. The spot mark clearly the nickel strip hold firmly to the battery. And see you to my next video, guys, on how I wired all of this. Thank you for watching. Till the next time.